By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a dialog that accepts a text input, and you'll be able to display that text input on the screen. Stay tuned to find out how. Hello, welcome back to another Thunkable tip. We're continuing on with our series on notifiers. So if you haven't watched the first video yet, click on the card in the top corner there to view it now. Our design is very simple because we're just testing out how the notifier works, trying to familiarize ourselves with this component. So to keep it as simple as possible, we've got a button and we've got a notifier. In the previous video, we were working with alerts and dialogues. So in this one then, we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to introduce the text dialog. So we're going to create a button here called greet me by name, like so. And what's going to happen then, as you've seen earlier, is that we're going to ask the user for their name, and they are going to type in their name, and when they do, it'll appear in the alert. So to trigger this then, trigger the dialog, the text dialog, we're going to use the button 1, but this could be any other event at all. We want to open up the text dialog here, and the two parameters here, message and title, these are strings. So we can grab one, duplicate that. We can ask the user what their name is. What is your name, I suppose? And then we could have a title, you know, it could just be something like hello. And if we want to make sure that the user types in something, then we'll set this to be false. Otherwise, they could hit cancel and the user wouldn't have to type in anything into our text dialog. So the next thing then is we have an event. What happens once they click OK, once they click enter? So then we have notifier 1 after text input. So let's keep it as simple as possible. Let's just show their response in an alert like this. There's no greeting yet, but let's just see what it looks like. Okay, so if I go over to my live testing now, I can click greet me by name. We get a little pop-up. There's my title, it says hello stranger. The message is what's your name. I can type in Donal here, like so, and then it just shows my name as an alert. Then what we can do is we can mix this up a little bit now. So we could maybe, let's go back to our favorite title here, screen1.title, and we might greet them personally when they arrive, when they log into the app, like this. So hello response. We get a little warning here because this is a local variable. Once we move it back into the event, that warning will disappear. So we're going to have hello. Don't forget to put in a space, otherwise everything will be squashed together. And we could change the title like this. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's try it out. So greet me by name. What's my name? It's Donal. Click OK, and up in the top then we get a little greeting, a personalized greeting like that. So something like this is ideal for, let's say, creating a high scores screen or a high scores app. When the high scores screen opens up, ask the user what their name is, save that then into a database, save it into a label, and then you can also display their scores or something like that next to it. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can click on the like button. If you want to see more tutorials like this, click on the subscribe button. The little bell icon gives you daily notifications of when I upload the videos. And if you have any questions about using the notifier or working with Thunkable, please leave them in the comments section below. Keep on thunking, and I will see you in the next video.